So Jay, another goal and another 1-1 draw for the O's. It's become a bit of a habit, isn't it?
Yeah, you know, we went behind. It was disappointing to go behind, but again, you know, in recent weeks we've showed a fighting spirit to come back into the game, and we left with a point.
Plenty of times you've had to come from behind. It shows the character in the team, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I think, you know, the boys, you know, we all want to win. They're all desperate to win. You know, no one will give up. We're all pulling in the same direction. So, you know, at times, this like here today, this is a tough place to come to. You know, they've got a lot of fans, great atmosphere, and I think we showed good character to come back and get a draw.
Creating plenty of chances. It must be great to be a striker at the O's.
Yeah, I think you know, at times strikers you can worry about where's the next chance coming from, but I think in this team, you know that the players that we've got in this team, they're going to create chances. So, you know, if you miss one, you've got to stay alert because you know there's another one coming.